All right. Good afternoon. Actually, it is 4:20. It is April 20, 2021, and it is vlog 76. And it is Tuesday. Exciting. How exciting? That's pretty awesome. But today is Tuesday. I'm kind of out of sorts today because yesterday I was busy. Today I went to DII for some appointments, and some didn't show up and some did. It was just a weird day. It was a weird day. So I'm kind of out of sorts today right now. So, and I'm doing my vlog in the afternoon because I had to wake up early. You know the drill. Actually, I need to go get my ukulele too. Hold on. I did this yesterday. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, a lot of stuff on my mind. Busy. It's just crazy when you have a lot of things going on. It's kind of cool, and they're all good stuff. It's really awesome. But I need a tuning for sure. I think I did one earlier. Even if we're DII's appointment only, I ended up waiting at the store today and didn't realize that my 3 o'clock appointment had changed it to like tomorrow, and I thought it was like 3 today. Like I thought the time changed, but I was all out of sorts, so I was waiting for nothing. It was kind of crazy. But I got the store clean. That was kind of cool. So I need a tuning. Here we go. It's always good. Love it. All right. Ba-da-ba. Let's see. Let's recap yesterday. Just kind of want to do a quick one. It's Tuesday. I got some stuff to do. I still have to sing a song. Love it. Let's see. Yesterday I woke up early at 7. Actually, because I had an appointment early. It was an ukulele appointment. That was cool. Had an appointment with Jay Jones. I don't know if I already talked about it, but it was funny because he came in. He wanted to get strings, and then he saw a ukulele on the wall, and he's all, "Forget it, I'm getting a new ukulele." So, hey Jay, you the man. Congratulations on your new ukulele, and yeah, awesome. He got a one-of-a-kind Ohana, and you know that's pretty amazing. That's good stuff. Let's see. Came out and did the vlog, so I might have talked about this already, but it's alright. Jay, the man. Jay Jones. Washed my clothes. Actually, I took a nap yesterday because I was tired because I had to wake up at 7. And then I did my song, which was "What a Wonderful World." And then we had tapas for dinner. We actually kind of eat late. I think we like the European style time frames, especially Italy. The siestas, they wake up, what is it? They wake up early, work, eat, siesta, then go back to work. I can't remember, but they don't end up having dinner till about 8 or 9 o'clock. It's pretty crazy. And yeah, like we were on that schedule last night. We had dinner at like 9. It was kind of funny. I was just doing a bunch of stuff, editing and just doing different things. But yeah, that's that. That was yesterday. Let's look at the weather, because today it was weird. Yesterday was warm, and then it cooled down. Like, it was like a warm cool today. I don't know. I can't even explain it. I was kind of cold and kind of warm. Let's see. La 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 la. There we go. 61. We had a high of 63 today. So crazy. And then tomorrow, actually, it might rain. How weird. It might rain. That's crazy. Wow. Actually, it does feel like kind of rainy weather. That's weird. But anyways, yeah, that was yesterday. It was kind of, I don't know, I just went by fast and I was doing a lot. Because I remember when I finished, I was like, oh yeah, I'm done. Oh yeah, I was writing songs too yesterday. That was crazy. I was trying to get some songs done. Actually, I need to write some more. But yeah. But yeah, today, I don't want to talk about it because I'll recap it tomorrow, but it's already pretty much over. And it is 4:20, so I'm just going to go enjoy it. Yay. But let's see, what else? What did I learn yesterday? Bunny came home, washed clothes, took a nap. I don't know if it's what I just felt, yesterday I felt like I was just in, like I had some stuff to do. I woke up early and it was actually kind of cool to wake up early. But then it ended up, like I did a lot of stuff. Yeah, I guess I just ended up doing a lot of stuff when you get up early. Yeah. But it just felt like it was nonstop. I went to the appointment, came home. I knew I think I'd made some calls or talked to some people. And then, yeah, there was just a lot of stuff. So it just felt like I was just in a groove. It was kind of cool. That's what I'm saying. And then today I just felt a little bit off. I don't know. I think it was because the appointments confused me today. But I ended up having, yeah, I'll talk about it later. But I ended up having a good lesson. I just did it with Beth in St. Louis. I'll talk about it tomorrow, so I have something to talk about. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna do my song. And then by then, Carrie should come home. We're going to figure out what we're going to do for dinner. I know we have a bunch of food that we just did. And try to relax, but I need to do some songs, and I know I need to do some editing. So, yeah, I usually work till... What time do I usually work? Yeah, it depends. It depends how much editing I do. So I just work when I work. I usually go to bed at 12 o'clock every night, so there it is. That's how late I go. So cool. Yeah, it's 4/20, April 20th, 2021. It is vlog 76, and I've been on for how long? 8 minutes. Cool. Good short one. And right after this, I'm going to do a song, and yeah, we should be good for the day. But that's all I got for me today. And like always, every day, let's use keep on strumming ukulele.